Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Inequalities. Solve the inequalities real for x. Okay, solve the inequalities real for x and solve the inequalities by the graphical. Okay, by the graphical method. So, what is the graphical method? Already 3 problems are completed. So, once again I will explain graphical method. X by 2 greater than or equal to x by 2 greater than x by 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. Solve the inequalities and show the graph of the solution. The given inequality solution, show the in the graph. First to solve x by 2 greater than or equal to. How to show graphs on the solution. So first LCM 15. So 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 3 into 7x minus 3. So x by 2 is greater than or equal to is LCM 15. 5 into 5 25x minus 10 minus 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus 3 into 7x minus 21 minus into minus plus 9. So x by 2 is greater than or equal to 25 minus 21x 4x minus 10 plus 9 minus 1 by 15 cross multiplication 15x cross multiplication 15x is greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. 15x is greater than or equal to 4 into 2, 8x minus 2. 8x goes to the left side. 15x minus 8x is greater than or equal to 15x minus 8x. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 15x 4x. 4 into 2, 8. So 7x. 7x is greater than or equal to 2. X greater than or equal to 2 by 7. X greater than or equal to 2 by 7. So graph, the solution shows on the graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So 2 by 7 value. 2 by 7 value. Again x by 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. So 5 in 25 minus 10 minus 21x minus into minus plus 9. 4x minus 1 15x is greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. 8 to 8x minus 2. 15 minus 7x 2 by 7. 2 by 7 value. 2 by 7 is nearly, this is 0.20. So 7 2's 14. So 6, 60. 8, 56. So this is nearly 0.28. 0.28 means nearly 0.3. So this is 0, 1. This is 1. Okay. 0.3 nearly, so this is the 0.3. For example 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is a value is 0 point something. The 0 point something value in between 0 to 1. So for example this is the 2 by 7. So greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to a. X greater than or equal to a means 2 by 7 to infinity. Greater than or equal to means that number to infinity. Less than or equal to means minus infinity to that number. Greater than or equal to means closed interval. Open interval, all infinity is minus infinity, always open interval. So this is 2 by 7 above, 2 by 7 to infinity. So this is 2 by 7 to above. Above means this above and so on, not ending. Okay. So greater than or equal to closed interval means greater than or equal to means closed interval. Closed interval means 2 by 7 also, 2 by 7 also, 2 by 7. So this is the solution shows on the graph. Less than or greater than means open interval. Open interval means without circle, 2 by 7, without 2 by 7. Greater than or equal, less than or equal means with circle also, with circle. Okay. This is the maximum important to the solve the inequation shows on the graph means, so this is the important one, 2 marks question. Okay. Next methods. Go to the next one. Okay, understand? Next, theory problems. In first method and up to 20 problems, so inequality is given directly. Okay. So up next method, inequality is given indirectly by the theory. Okay. So what is the first one now? Ravi obtained means obtained 70 and 75. Obtained means bring 70 and 75 marks. Okay, listen carefully, read problem carefully. 70-75 marks in first 2 unit tests. In first 2 unit tests. First unit test 70, second unit test 75 marks. Okay, full stop. Find the minimum marks. Find the minimum marks. Find the minimum marks. Find the minimum marks. He should get in the third test. To have an average of at least 60 marks. At least 60 marks. Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first 2 unit tests. First unit test 70 marks, 70 unit test 75 marks. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test. Third test minimum marks. Find the minimum marks. An average of at least 60 marks. Average of at least 60 marks. Average at least 60 marks. Average means what? Average. Average means average. Okay, 1 to 10 numbers average means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to plus 10 by sum of the numbers by total numbers is called average. So first solution, average means what? 70 plus 75 by 2, average. Third test x. Suppose let x be the third test marks. X be the third test marks. What we have to find out? Find the minimum marks to get in the third test. So let x be the third test marks. So average of marks, average how many tests? 3 tests. First, second, third by 3. Average means number of sum of the numbers by number of sum plus count 1 2 3 by 3. The average of at least 60 marks. At least minimum. At least means greater than or equal to. At least means greater than or equal to 60. At least minimum. Okay. You pass at least one subject. You pass at least one subject means one subject, at least one, 2, 3 also and so on. So at least 60 marks means greater than or equal to 60. So 70 plus 75 is equal to 145 plus x is greater than or equal to 60 into 30, 60 into 3. So 45x plus x is greater than or equal to 180. X greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. So x greater than or equal to 35. How many marks? Minimum marks, not exact marks. Exactly mean. So find the third test marks means exactly 20, 30 or 40 or 60. This is called minimum marks means x greater than 35 means what? Minimum 35 marks bartav. Okay, she will get in third examination minimum 35 marks. Minimum 35 marks andre pass, minimum pass. The 35 or 36, 37, 39 up to 100. Any minimum 35 means 35 and above. This any how many marks? Okay. So 35, 36, 30, 60, 70, 80 are all are above 35. So not get fixed marks. Minimum 35 marks. Compulsory pass. This is the problem. Once again, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first 2 unit tests. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test. Third test minimum marks, not exact marks. So average. Average means how many tests? 3 tests. First 2 sets marks are given and third test marks take x. Average means 3. 3 tests plus by how many tests? 3 tests. At least 60 marks means greater than or equal to 60. So and simplify. Simplify means x greater than 35 means what? Ravi get third unit test minimum 35 marks. Minimum 35 marks. Next one. Okay, clear? Next. Next problem. To receive grade A, to receive grade A, to receive grade A in a course, grade A in a course, comma, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more, 90 marks or more, 90 marks or more, and above 90 or more means greater than or equal to, at least greater than or equal to, 90 marks or more, and 90 or above means greater than or equal to 90. More in 5 examinations, in 5 examinations, in 5 examinations. Please stop. If Sunita's marks, please stop. If Sunita's marks so past here, Sunita's marks in first 4 examinations are, in first 4 examinations, in first 4 examinations are, in 4 first examinations are 87, 92, 94 and 95. Find the minimum marks. Find the minimum marks. Find the minimum marks that Sunita must obtain. Sunita must obtain. Must obtain in 5th examination. In 5th examination. In 5th examination to get grade A. To get grade A, of course. Okay. From to receive grade A in first class or grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more. Average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations. If Sunita's marks in first 4 examinations are 87, 92, 94, 95, find the minimum marks Sunita must obtain in 5th examination to get grade A. First, let X be the Sunita's, let X be the Sunita's 5th examination. 5th examination marks. 5th examination marks. 5th examination, find the minimum marks of the 5th examination means you don't know 5th examination marks, you have to calculate. So first we have to take Let x be the Sunita's 5th examination marks are x. So how many exams are there? 5 exams. So average 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 and 5th examination x. By average means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By 5 means the average marks 90 marks or more. 90 marks or more. 90 marks means equal to 90. More means greater than. So adding 87, 9 3s 270. 270 plus 80. 270 plus 80 350. 357 359. 357 359 363 368. Okay, 87 92 94 95 9 11 18 18 36 368. 368 plus x is greater than or equal to 90 into 5. So x greater than or equal 90 into 5 is equal to 450 minus 368. 9 5s 45. So x greater than or equal to 450. 450 minus 38 means 32 82. 450 minus 368 is equal to 82. So Sunita obtained in 5th examination minimum marks, minimum 82 marks. 82, 83, 84 up to 100 any. Okay. This is x greater than or equal to means Sunita get minimum 82 means above 82, 82 also. This question. Next 5 examinations. So next examination, next 10 examinations. So next different types of problems. So any type of problem, first average means how many jobs or how many examinations. So sum of the examinations marks by total number of examinations. So at least means greater than or equal to 9. More 90 or more means greater than or equal to 9. At least 90 means at most, at least 90 means greater than or equal to 90. At most 90 means less than or equal to 90. The condition is important. This is the problem. Okay. Find all pairs of find all pairs of consecutive consecutive means pakka azubozu. Okay, consecutive odd positive integers, consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than smaller than 10, such that their sum is, such that their sum, 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 adding, their sum is more than 11, their sum is more than 11. Find all pairs of consecutive means pakka pakka azu. Okay, for example, odd numbers. What is the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. These are negative odd numbers. The consecutive odd numbers means 1 or 3 are the consecutive. Next 3, 5 consecutive, 5, 7 consecutive, 7, 9. This means beside. Okay, consecutive means beside. Azu bozu pakka pakka. These are 3, 5. Okay, find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10. Both kuda first both are then smaller than 10. And are two consecutive positive numbers less than 10, smaller than 10, less than 10, and first one, second one, not highest, less than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. Their sum is more than 11. So first let x, first two consecutive numbers. For example, first consecutive number x, say, first consecutive number is x, next consecutive number is x plus 2, not x plus 1, because what is the difference between the first two consecutive numbers? Difference 2, 2. 1 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 5, 5 minus 7, difference is 2. Each consecutive odd pairs difference is 2. So first one 1, next one 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So first odd number is x, second odd number is x plus 2, 1 plus 2 3 plus 2 5. So each difference is 2. So first number x, next number x plus 2. So let x be the x comma x plus 2 be the solution. Let x comma x plus 2 be the two consecutive odd numbers. So what is the next condition? Both are x plus 2 less than 10. Condition smaller than, both of which are, both means what? X plus 2. X plus 2 both are smaller than 10. So x less than 10, no? X plus 2 less than 10, below 10. Okay. X plus 2 less than 10. Next, another condition. What is another condition? Smart, such that their sum is more than 11. Their sum means what? The consecutive two odd numbers sum is more than 11. So x plus 2 more than 11 means greater than or equal to 11. More than 11 means more than, not equal, more than 11. Okay, more than 11. So more than 11 means more 11. More 11 means greater than 11. X plus x is equal to 2x plus 2 is greater than 11. 2x is greater than 9. 2x is greater than 9. X greater than 9 by 2. X greater than 9 by 2 means 9 by 2 is a fraction number, not a odd number. Okay, positive odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, not 9 by 2, this one. 9 by 2 is means greater than 9 by 2. Greater than 9 by 2 means 9 by 2 above odd number is x greater than 9 by 2. X greater than 9 by 2 means 9. 2x plus x plus x 2x plus 2 is greater than more than 11. More than 11 means 9. Okay. X greater than 9 by 2. X greater than 9 by 2. For example, 9 by 2 above 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means what? 4.5. Okay. 4.5. So x greater than 9 by 2 means what is x values? 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. After 4.5, what is the odd values? 5, 7, 9. So x is equal to 5, 7, 9. Not 11 because each odd integer below 10. Each odd integer below 10. So x less than 2 means x less than 8. That implies x less than 8, not 9. Okay. So 5, 7. X is equal to 5 means x plus 2. What is the pair? X comma x plus 2. So 5 comma 7. Next x comma x plus 2. 7 comma 9. What is the pairs? Okay, once again listen carefully. All pairs of consecutive odd positive integers both which are smaller than 10, both, and x plus 2. Okay, so smaller than 10, x less than 10 means what? X less than 10 means, for example, x is equal to 9, x plus 2 is equal to 11. So both are less than 10. So x plus 2 less than 10. So x less than 8, this first condition. Next one, the sum is more than 11. Sum is more than 11. So sum more than 11. 2x plus 2 greater than 11. 2x greater than 9. X greater than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is not a odd number. 9 by 2 is equal to what? 4.5. Above 4.5 odd numbers. 4.5 next to 5. 5 is odd number. Next to 7. Next 9. 9 is not take. Don't take because the 9 x is, for example, x is equal to 9 means what? 9 plus 2 is equal to what? 11. 11 less than 10, is it correct? The all values x plus 2 both values less than 10. So x is only 5 comma 7, not taken 7, 9 because 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. This is wrong. So x 5, x plus 2 7, x 7, x plus 2 9. So what is the pairs? Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers is 5 comma 7, 7 comma 9. The two are odd consecutive positive integers. Okay. So tomorrow I will continue the next class.